to ask one question here. So, at the beginning of the day, we said we have two goals. Two goals. We want you to walk out of here having met somebody that you actually want to follow up with. So could you please raise your hand if you've met somebody that you actually want to follow up with? And you please don't do this just to make me feel okay.
This is a field in the survey, so then
this is all right. We have a feedback survey as well. So, and then the second goal was we'd like you to take away some idea, something that you actually hadn't thought about before. So, did we achieve that? Did anybody walk away from this conversation with an idea? Okay. All right. Good. Okay. Awesome. Jinhua.
Sure.
Yeah. Voice.
Sure. First of all, just want to thank Zhao, my partner, for putting this thing together. Together with the team who won there, really dramatic rules, and a whole team of student volunteers. So thank all of you for this. I just want to leave you with one last idea. Trying to thread today's 5 panels together, right? I want to cite a concept in artificial intelligence, which is called alignment problem. Right? When it says human and machines interact with each other, it's actually very hard for the humans to tell the machine what we want. Right? So let me cite a moment ago, Diana and Jamie talked about the means and end, right? One way to frame the alignment question is machines they're all confused between means and end. In fact, they actually have no difference between means and end. If you tell a machine do something. They don't know what this means or end, right? So this alignment, I find that actually if you apply the framework, how do you inject human need into the particular function of machine or system? That's actually very true for transportation system. Right. Many panels today discussion, for example, the people who want to travel versus the technology enabled to travel, how do you align the two? Right? How do you align infrastructure and the vehicles? How do you align the digital infrastructure with the physical infrastructure? How do you align the public sector interest and private sector interest? And for the fact, how do you align the federal government with the state and local government? You'll find between almost any pair of this transportation system, we have this inherent alignment problem there. Right. So one way towards solving this problem is empathy. Unfortunately, machines do not have that capacity, but people do. And one way to enhance the empathy is through this type of gathering. So people talk to each other, know each other, they create empathy, and hopefully we can improve and solve the alignment problem in transportation. Thank you very much, and hopefully see you next year.
Just to reiterate, thanks to move on to Ruth. We basically pulled this off in 5 weeks, so thanks to all the team who helped with this. What we're going to do now is we're going to transition out into that space right beyond this room, and we're going to have a nice beverage, and we're going to talk to some of the founders and innovators from the mobility system that are floating around. It's very, very informal, very casual. I'll try to make some introductions, but for us at the Mobility Initiative, it's hugely important to engage with the startup community. They are absolutely essential. We've seen this explosion of startups in the space. They're delivering very real value. They're changing mindsets. So I think it's really important. Find somebody who has the title of founder of something and talk to that person. Enjoy the day. Thank you.